Today, solid waste management has become a huge challenge for all urban administrators. Not just urban areas, but rural areas too equally need efficient solid waste management strategies. Any solid waste with less than 49% of moisture except glass and metal can be disposed of with this machine. Every day, about 1 ton solid waste can be melted with this self-fueling machine. Every gram of input waste can be accounted for, and about 2% of the waste is converted into ceramic ash that can be used as a raw material in the production of ceramic tiles, paints, and much more. The plastic waste is converted into a greasing agent and bio-oil, and most importantly, percent non-toxic. Let us have a glimpse of its operations.
This machine is purely a patented technology from Japan. The beauty of this machine is it doesn't require any sort of electricity nor fuel to melt the garbage. The transportation of the machine is very easy. The space occupied by the machine is very less. We have different inlets, outlets. The municipal solid waste is dumped right from top of the machine. Once the municipal solid waste is dumped inside the machine, that is when the magnetic structure of the machine comes into picture. The dioxin norms are well within the permissible limits. There is an ignition chamber. Initially, the machine needs to be ignited once, only once. Once the ignition chamber is closed, we need not operate the ignition chamber further anymore. Once the waste gets inside the machine, the magnetic portion of the machine starts working. The outside oxygen is let inside the machine. The ionization takes place inside the machine. Once the magnets are on, hardly 3 to 4 hours, we require about a couple of labors. That should do the job here. Smoke emitting from the machine is being sent inside the scrubber. This scrubber has 4 filters: activated carbon filter, media filter, and a fine filter. This particular scrubber makes clearly zero smoke and zero smell. I am able to stand without mask and my eyes are clear. There's nothing, there's no smoke. It is a pyrolysis system. If you dump only the plastic waste, we get a bio-oil. And if you dump only the wet waste, organic waste, we get a soil enhancer. Once we dump only the municipal solid waste, mixed waste, if you are not segregating any waste, and if you dump right inside the machine, you get a greasing agent. There's no moving parts, there is no sound. It is regular maintenance which is required. Here the magnets are permanent magnets, it's not electromagnets. Since it is permanent magnets, we don't have to replace the magnets every year or every once in 2 years or nothing like that. The life of magnets is almost up to 20 to 25 years. You can see there's no moving parts, and again the structure will not collapse as their proper insulation has been taken place.
This 1 ton to 5 tons per day capacity solid waste managing machine could be used by municipal corporations, hospitals, residential and commercial complexes, industrial and tech parks, and at educational institutes. Japanese environmental standards are very stringent in nature. This solid waste managing machine and technology, which originated in Japan, adheres to all Japanese standards, making it the most sought-after solid waste managing machine in the world.
USP of our product is no fuel, no electricity. Wherever the garbage has been generated, it can be destroyed then and there. This is a technology which has been bought from Japan, and it's slowly we are just implementing in India. With the Indian systems, Indian way of garbage, it is coming generated. It requires a lot of, to enhance our technology. We have added some more features towards it so that it fits for our Indian market. Some people, they feel what is happening inside. They feel it's a magic. So it's something, people say it's a magic box. This machine can be used by any segment of the society and see that their surroundings are kept clean.